section formula. Section formula. Suppose on a plane, on a coordinate plane, suppose 2 points are given, A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. These 2 points are given on a coordinate plane. Okay. Now we need to find our given points, or 2 given points. Given points on a plane. So now find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the point C, which divides the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Okay, this is the question, actual concept. So how to find the point C which divides the given points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n. So here the point C divides AB in the ratio m is to 1. Therefore here 2 such points exist here. So therefore this C has 2 cases. Therefore this point C, these are 2 such C's exist. Call the C's are C1 and C2. So why 2 C's means 1 C divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Therefore suppose this is A, this is B. 1 C divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Another C, suppose AB, another C divides AB externally in the ratio m is to n. Externally in the ratio m is to n. 2 cases will be there. So here two cases, if we draw the diagram, so this is y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis. Here in first case, suppose this is A x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 somewhere over here. We join this A and B. So here somewhere C will be somewhere over here, that is AX comma Y. So this is called as internal division here, because C is interior point of A and B, in between A and B. So internal division, that is here C divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n. C divides AB internally in ratio m is to n. So therefore AC by, in this case AC by CB is equals to what? M by n. Similarly here suppose AX1 y1, this is AX1 y1 and this one is BX2 y2. So this is the line joining AB. Now suppose C is somewhere over here, CX comma Y. So in this case we call the division as external division. External division. So here C divides C divides AB externally in the ratio hemisphere. Two cases here. So here AC by CB. Sir, this AC ratio CB is equal to hemisphere here. Is equals to M by. So that is E. So now what we do is I will derive the formula for internal division. Therefore, if A x1 y1 B x2 y2 2 points are given and the ratio is also given, is or not? The division ratio. Therefore, this M and N, suppose in this case. So these points, 2 points are given, AX1 and BX2 and M and N. The ratio is given. Then how to find the coordinates of this internal division point? So the point which divides internally the given points in the ratio emission, how to find the coordinates of C. So we will see. So for that one, I will take one diagram. This is y-axis and x-axis. On this y-axis and x-axis, I will take the 2 points, that is, sorry, one is A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 are 2 given points. So join this A and B. So yes, these are the 2 points. Now the division the point which divides AB internally is x comma y. So now what you do is from A x1, now we need, now the ratio is M/N ratio. Now what you do is you drop the perpendicular from A on x-axis, and drop the perpendicular from C on x-axis, and then drop the perpendicular from B on x-axis. So this is origin, this is y-axis, and this one is x-axis. Now this point is what? x1 comma 0, because this distance is what? X coordinate. Similarly, this point is what? X comma 0. Sorry, this is x comma 0, and this point is x2 comma 0. Now from here we drop the perpendicular on x-axis, and from here drop the perpendicular on these lines, and here also you drop the perpendicular on perpendicular. Now this point is what? 0 comma y1, and this point is 0 comma y. Here also you draw one perpendicular. So this point is 0 comma y2. So this is the construction. Suppose this is some E, this point of intersection, and this one is, suppose this is some D. So this point is D. Now from this diagram, so from above diagram, your triangle AEC, yes sir, triangle AEC and triangle ADB are similar triangles or not? Sir, this triangle, yes or no? Triangle AEC, that is this triangle AEC triangle and ADB triangles are similar triangles, 2 similar triangles. Therefore, ratios of the sides are proportional. That's why those 2 triangles are similar. That's why AE by AD, yes or no? AE by AD, that is this side by this side. AE by AD is equals to EC by DB. EC by DB. So EC is what? EC by DB is equals to AC by AB. AC by AB. So what is AC? This AC by AB, because the triangles are similar. So Now what is AC ratio is what I said, m is to n ratio. Yes or no? M is to n means if AC is m parts, then C and CB is n parts, then m is to n, AC is to n. So this AC by AB is nothing but m by n or m is to n. So from this one, what can we write? AC from this last one. From this one, what can we write? From this one, what can we write? AC is to, sorry, AC CB. Okay, AC by AB. AC by AB. So now it is given that, so let it be like this. This is m by n. Yes. Now it is given that AC is to CB is m is to n. It is given that AC is to CB. That is AC is to CB is given as m is to n. So AC is to CB is m is to n. Then what is AC is to AB? So okay, remove this one. This is correct. Yes. Yes. Now it is given that AC is to CB is m is to n is given. Therefore, AC is to CB is m is to n. Then AC is to AB is what?
M by m plus n.
M by m plus n. Because AC is m part. So AB will be m plus n parts. Yes or no? Therefore, that implies AC by AB is m by m plus n. Is the thing clear? Next.
Yes.
Now you put this one in this one. Then what you get from this one? AE by AD is equals to EC by DB is equals to m by m plus n. M by m plus n. Now what is AE from diagram? Distance. AE distance. What is AE distance? Tell me. This x minus x1 or not? Position of point conjugate just before you asking. So this distance minus this distance is this distance. These two distances are same. That's why this is what? X minus x1. This distance is x minus x1. Now what is AD distance? So AD distance is what? This distance. That is x2 minus x1. That is AD distance. Yes or no? AD distance is what? X2 minus x1. X2 minus x1 is AD distance. Similarly, EC distance is what? This distance. This EC distance. EC distance is equal to what? Y1 minus, sorry, Y minus Y1. Because this Y minus Y1 is equal to this one. That's why. So this distance is equal to what? EC distance is equal to what? Y minus Y1. Now DB distance is equals to what? DB. DB is this one. This distance equal to what? Y2 minus what? Y1. This one. This distance Y1. So this is Y2 minus Y1. That is DB. So this distance is Y2 minus Y1. So if you put all these things in this relation, A is what from the diagram? A is what? X minus x1. What is AD is what? X2 minus x1 is equal to what is EC? EC is Y minus Y1. What is DB? DB is Y2 minus Y1. Is equals to m by m plus n. So now what you do is, our requirement is what? We need to find the internal division point. X comma y coordinates is our requirement. C, internal division point. So for that one, what you do is, from this one, what you get? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equals to m by m plus n. So from this one, x minus x1 into m plus n is equal to m into x2 minus x1. Our requirement is what? X. So that is x into m plus n minus x1 into m plus n is equal to m into x2 minus x1. So if you isolate this x, therefore x into m plus n, you take out this on this side. Then what you get? M into x2 minus x1 plus x1 into m plus n. Okay, na? So now this is equal to mx2 minus mx1 plus mx1 plus nx1 is x into m plus n. So here mx1 can cancel. So you left with what? Mx2 plus nx1 is x into m plus n. Our requirement is what? X. X is equal to what? Mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So this is the x coordinate of the division point C. So similarly, from this point, directly I am right. By symmetry, can you write or not? Directly y is equal to what you get? My2. Similarly, you need not to do again. My2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Same process. So this is what? Y coordinate of the point of division. Yes or no? Therefore, division point is what from these two things? Therefore, the coordinates of cx comma y, is equals to what? Mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is the division point. You memorize this as the formula. This is what? Internal division formula.